Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Kodo Millet Dosa. It is naturally gluten free, making it an excellent option for individuals who have gluten sensitivity. Kodo millet is a good source of essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin B, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and well being. The high fiber content in kodo millet helps promote better digestion, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gastrointestinal system. The combination of low glycemic index and high fiber content in kodo millet dosha can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management and reducing overeating. Let's start the recipe. Add 3/4 cup of urad dal, 1.5 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of kodo millet, 1.5 tablespoon of chana dal and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Clean 2 to 3 times and add water and soak it for 8 hours. After 8 hours before grinding, add 3/4 cup of poha. Clean poha 2 times. Now grind them along with poha. Add water and grind it. Dosha batter is ready. Keep it aside for overnight. Next day morning, you can prepare doshas. Here I am using some amount of batter. You can refrigerate the remaining batter and use for 2 to 3 days. Add salt as per your taste and 1 pinch of eating soda to the batter. Add little water and mix well. Now spread the batter. Considering health benefits, I used cast iron tawa. Add few drops of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee. This red chutney can be stored in refrigerator and can be used for 2 days. For red chutney preparation, add 3 chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of salt and grind it. Sprinkle some roasted Bengal gram powder on it. Very healthy and tasty Kodo Millet Dosa is ready. Serve hot with peanut chutney. Peanut chutney link is given in the description box. Please watch it. Repeat the process for other dosas. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. More breakfast recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.